The day began like any other. A quiet desk, a warm cup of coffee, and the moment waiting to begin. There was a time when this meant something, when problems were not tasks but puzzles. But change rarely announces itself. A small shortcut here, a quicker answer there, until thinking starts to feel unnecessary. Work became faster. Tasks disappeared in minutes. Answers arrived instantly. It felt like progress. It looked like productivity. But something was fading. Not skill, not knowledge, something quieter. The patience to sit with a problem before reaching for an answer. Then one day, something broke. Not something complex, just a small bug. The kind that once felt simple. So the process began. Ask, copy, paste. A solution appeared, it didn't work. Another answer, then another. Each one confident, each one different, but none of them brought clarity. And then nothing. No next step, no instinct, just silence. The kind that used to guide the work before it was replaced. So something changed. No more asking, just thinking. Step by step, line by line. Not fast, but real. The solution wasn't perfect, but it was understood, and that changed everything. The tool was still there, but now it had a place, because the problem was never the tool. It was forgetting how to think without it. Use the tool, but don't lose the thinking ability.